Hello everyone, this is a quick video to show how we can use the digital consenting process now. So with help of Arden's team, we have managed to set this up. So I'm in a test patient's record, as you can see. Now for me, if I was doing a consent form for this patient, the first thing I would do is I'm going to click on this button here, which is called the communication annex. It's part of SystmOne services. As you can see, once the annex opens up, it brings up patient's details. It also brings up the email saved in their records, the mobile numbers, AMID account. Now, once you have seen this, you can choose various presets if you wish to. For the consent process, you need to click on this button here, and if you open it, it will open up a tab which gives you options of various questionnaires. In this, we will open up the folder which is called the consent form, and in that you would select which kind of procedure we are doing. So for example, for this patient, if we are injecting the knee joint, I would select that form, click OK, and then you would just click send. It has automatic function of replying, so you don't need to select the button saying allow patient to reply. So all you would do is send them. You can put a link here, or you can type a message saying please complete the consent form and save it, or as discussed. Now once I do this, it'll automatically send patient the consent form when I save the record. So as soon as I'm saving this, you will see it's sending a patient. So as you can see, once the patient gets the message, they can click into, they have to put their date of birth, and that helps them to confirm patient identification after they've clicked on the link. Once they have entered their date of birth, so they can do that either by selecting month and date calendar. They go to this consent form where you can select read the leaflets and then read the information and select yes if they're happy to consent, put their name, the date when they are signing the consent, and then click submit. Once they click submit, then the message automatically comes to SystmOne. So once patients have completed the questionnaire, the task is generated, and as you can see, the task comes back under the name of the patient, and it's telling us that the online questionnaire is completed. Now to action it, you can right click or you can double click on it, and it'll open up this tab where it says that the patient received the consent form, which was for plantar fasciitis. They were sent these following information leaflets, which included an information on plantar fasciitis, consent to treatment leaflet, and steroid injection leaflet, which gives them information about the steroid injection itself. The consent form is clearly visible here. It lists the possible risks, and then the patient has chosen yes for the consent form. They've put their name and date. Now once I click finish on this and I click file to record, this will lock it and it will put into patient's records a read code which would say consent has been obtained. So I'm adding this to the checked record. Now once I go into the patient records and I retrieve the patient and go into the new journal, you'll be able to see here on 20th of April, when I filed it tonight, it says consent obtained, added from questionnaire, plantar fasciitis completed online by patient. And that's how digitally consent can be sent to patient and recorded for our purposes.